Hello friends, welcome to Microsoft Excel. In this tutorial, we will learn about formatting a worksheet in MS Excel. There are several options to format a worksheet in a workbook. First is Convert Text to Columns option. Sometimes you want to split the data in one cell or into more than one cells. Here some data is given. First, select the column and then go to the data tab. From it, select the text to column option. If you have comma or tabs separating the data, click on the delimited, and if you have to set a data separation at a specific size, select the fixed width and click on the next option and then select the finish. Next is modify font option. The options for modify font are available in Home tab. Here you can find the font group. You can change the font type, font size. You can make them bold, italic and underline. You can also add the color. Next is Format Cells dialog box. It is in the Home tab. Click on the right corner arrow of alignment. You can see the Format Cells dialog box is appeared. There are several tabs to format the cells like numbers, alignment, font, border, fill and protection. You can make the changes as per your need and click on the OK button. Next is the to add borders and color to cells. The options for borders are available in font group. When you click on this arrow, you can find the various options for the borders. You can select any one of it as per your need. From here you can also add the colors to the cells. You can also change the cell styles. For the option for cell styles, go to the Home tab. Here you can find the cell style group. Click on it and you can find the various options for cell styles. You can select any one of them as per your need. Next is to change column width and row height. The options for column width and row height are available in Home tab. From the Home tab, select the Format option. Here you can find the option for row height and also for column width. You can also apply auto fit row height and auto fit column width. You can also hide and unhide row with the options hide and unhide. Next is merge cells option. The options for merge cells are available in alignment group. From it, select the merge and center option. Here you can find the various options to merge the cells like merge and center, merge across, merge cells and unmerge cells. Next is align cell contents. The option for that are available in alignment group like top align, middle align, bottom align, orientation, align text left, align center, align text right, decrease indent and increase indent. This was the learning how we can format a worksheet in MS Excel. Thank you.